In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful happy anniversary digital download in Canva. First, I'll be working with a 5 by 7 inch A4 template, which I downloaded from Etsy. It's perfect for creating greeting cards or printable designs for your special someone. So let's get started. First, we will come over to the Elements tab and look for the wording Happy Anniversary. Let's see if we can find anything there. So we see all. The ones with the crown on are paid because I have the paid version. So we'll look for the free version and we'll put it on the right side of our template. So this side is the front, this side is the back. So we put it here. And these lines here show it's lining up on the front, so we'll use that one. Okay, so we'll go back to the search bar and I think we'll look for maybe a love tree. And we'll type that in, see what we find, and press see all. And again, we're looking for something that's free. So these ones are the pro version, so we won't use those because we're looking to do this for free. We'll put that on the canvas. Like that. What else can we find? So we will go back again and maybe look for a love couple. Then look for the search. This one looks good. We use this one. We'll see if we can find one with a ladder. Spell it correctly. So maybe not that one, we'll use this one. So it looks like he's picked the love hearts from the tree. So we will use that. So we'll make that bigger, the tree, so we pull it a little bit bigger. Make him a little bit smaller. Okay, so that looks like he's picked the hearts, love hearts from the tree. Okay, so what are we going to put them to stand on? So let's look for some grass. Let's have a look. So all these elements are on the left hand side here. So this one looks free, so we use that one. Okay, so to send this to the back, we go to the top where it says position, press position, and then you go over to the left and send it to the back and put it down like that. Now to bring everything to the top, center it, put it up a little bit there. Okay, so It looks like she's standing on the grass. He's picking the love hearts from the tree. That looks good. Now on the left hand side now you might have a barcode or your business logo you might want to put here. So if for example you want to type it, I have a Mac, so I use T to bring up the words or the letters. You can make it bigger, or you can go to the top and press the add sign. So this is where you will put your logo. So if you were printing this out now, as this would be on an A4 piece of paper, you press share at the top, download, make sure it's PDF as there's more than one selection here because we're going to do printing, page 1, and press CMYK, best for printing. Then you download it to your computer and then you print it off. So thank you for watching this tutorial on how to make a greeting card, and if you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. In my next tutorial I will show you how to package the design to sell as a digital download on Etsy or any other platform you intend to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching.